Hey everybody, Susan Vincentz here, and it's time for another tech tip. And in this video, we're going to do a quick overview of EdPuzzle. We're going to talk about how to use video and make your lessons come alive to be able to assess your students using video and adding questions to those videos, whether it be your own videos or videos that you pull from somewhere else. So stay tuned as we go take a look over at EdPuzzle. Here we are over in EdPuzzle.com. So EdPuzzle is a way for you to take a video that you've made yourself or a video that you have pulled from elsewhere and make it a lesson. So you can add questions, activities, things for the students to respond to so that you can ensure through reports that are available that students have watched the video and actually gained the content. So this is the main screen you come to when you go to edpuzzle.com. So if you do not have an account, you can always click sign up. When you go to sign up, it will also give you the option to sign up with Google or Microsoft and all of those things. But I also want to share with you a special incentive I have, because if you use EdPuzzle, you are limited on space for the free version. You get space for 20 videos, and that's a lot, but I have a special code that you can put in for space for 3 more videos, giving you a total of 23. So as you sign up for your account and you want my referral code, put in B3I054, and that will be on the screen for you to get access to also. So fill in your sign up information. You can also sign up using Google or Microsoft and what have you. So then when it's time to log in, you can then log in either with your username and password that you created or with your Google or Microsoft account. So here I am now. We're going to log in. It'll usually ask you if you're a teacher or a student, and then we're going to log in. So now I have my EdPuzzle account. And it's also going to ask you what school you're at, so it'll allow you to find all that as you're signing in. So first of all, you have the ability to add classes. If I go to add classes, I can add from several different learning management systems, and you can see those listed on the screen. Google Classroom, Canvas, Schoology, Microsoft Teams, some of our main ones, and then other things are there also. Or you can just create a new class manually. But the nice thing about this is I already have featured videos here, or I can search or paste a YouTube URL. So if I'm looking at multiplying 2-digit numbers by 1-digit number, I can search, and it's going to give me various videos from people who have posted and all of those things. And these are already made lessons here in EdPuzzle. So I'm just going to pick this one, for example. And what it's showing here, you see these little symbols down here, it is showing where a question has been added. So notice this video, she has gone in and asked an open-ended question. So this is the preview. And then I can go back. I can pick another video, and you can see the different versions. Hit add content. So if I hit the add content button, I can either look for new content or I can upload my own video. I can even record a video right here. So I'm just going to discover video content here. And again, it's giving me different things that I might choose to use. So let's talk about Voyage of Columbus. So here's a video on Columbus's voyages of Columbus. So we're going to click on this one. And it gives me several versions. But the nice thing about this is I can make it my own. So here's what I want to do. I want to copy it. And then I want to watch it. And then I can go through and edit and add different kinds of questions that I choose to add. So now if I want to edit, I have the ability to watch through the video. I can skip, can pause it here. I can cut it, do various things here, but then I also have the ability to add the questions as I need to. So now if I want to add a question, I'm just going to hit the question button. I can choose multiple choice, open-ended, or I can add a note. I can even do a voiceover. So that's just a quick overview of EdPuzzle and how you might use it with your students. As we continue this series, we're going to talk about how to actually add the questions and then how to assign it to your class and then how to read the reports that are available within EdPuzzle. So, as always, if you need assistance or have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me and I will be happy to assist. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video if you are looking for more content just like this. Enjoy. Have a great week. Bye-bye.